How to add playing a game status in Discord Mobile, or whether it's possible to do that or not. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up Discord on a device. Now when you tap on your profile at the bottom right corner, then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. Now when you scroll down, now as you can see there is no option for activity status. So unlike the desktop app, you cannot connect your Discord account with the games you are playing. But instead, you can simply go back, then tap on add status. Now on this page, you can simply add status saying playing this game and tap on save at the top right corner. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.